Hi guys, today I'm going to show you to do a half cut crease, which I attempted to do about a month ago or two. I'm going to my beige Cosmetics Urban Luxe one to go, going to light shade. I already did my concealer, so I'm just setting that with that color. Sorry, I had things fall. Then we go into this brush and go into the lighter shade. I'm actually going to do a really daytime look, so I'm going to this brown shade here. It's kind of beigey. Start at the outer corners, fluff it in. I'm just going some circular motions. I never have a mirror open when I need one. I went back into that color, building it up a little bit more. I don't go everywhere because I just don't. Hello, I need another brush. Where are you, brush? Now I'm going to go into this darker shade here. I just went into this one. Now I'm going to this one. And I'm going to deepen the outer end a little bit. As you can see, I'm focusing mainly on the outer end. I'm going to go in with Catrice and just put one dot here, one dot here. Then I'm getting this brush, I believe it is the concealer brush, and I have a hair in the way. Dab it. Here, about halfway. I'm trying to make this as a quick and easy tutorial for a cut crease that you can do on a daily basis. And then I'm going back into Urban, the beige Cosmetic formula. I'm getting the pink eyeshadow. I'll show you in a moment which one. I'm just using this to help set the color I want to put here. I went to this pink one right here. Now I'm going to my Stila, and I'm going to get, oops, this bottom shade right here. But first I'm going to set this brush with the e.l.f. setting spray. Not even too much. That's too much. You can get a little, oops, that was a little too much. Get that in there. And press. I'm just pressing my fingers on to make sure it all blends well. I'm also using the same brush and going into the white just a little bit and putting it underneath my brow bone. Now I'm going to do my brows. I haven't done foundation. I only did my concealer for the under eye and for my eyes because I'm not in the mood to do concealer today. Not in the mood to do concealer. To do foundation. My face is looking pretty nice. So that I'm able to do this in a faster manner than normal. Especially since I'm kind of in a rush. And I'm just doing my eyes with the NYX eyebrow gel. Just lightly feathering it in, making it look a little bit more fuller. As you can see, the brush isn't that stiff. But to give it more of a natural, full feel. pretty happy with the look, so I'm just going to put some eyebrow gel. Just coat it the way I want my eyebrows to go. And then I'm just put on this lipstick for now. You know what? I'm going to change up the color I use. Use pink. I have purple. This is the purple. And I'm going to go use Mary Kay at Play Purple Smoke. Just underneath the eyelash line a little bit. That. I haven't used this color in a while. I'm back with this brush into the white shade and highlighting the inner corner a little bit. And I'm in a bit of a rush, but I'll be fine. I don't need to be anywhere really soon. So yeah, that's the complete look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. I'm so sorry I hadn't been posting in a while. I'm going to keep trying to post as much as I can. Thank you so much for your support. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much.